11 p.m. on a Thursday. 2 new tools, $47 more a month. And the more tools I bought, the more tabs I opened. 14 apps, 0 things finished. $847 a month. 12 tools. None of them fit. Why can't I just build my own? A friend sent me 3 words. Just describe it. So I typed 1 sentence. 30 seconds later, my own tool. I actually laughed. Then I got greedy. Gmail, Slack, GitHub, all of it. 12 tools connected in under a minute. The 40-minute morning ritual? Gone. Then my widgets started talking to each other, data flowing automatically, with AI transforming everything. I couldn't stop. Fitness log, client pipeline, content calendar. Every sentence, a new tool. I showed my team. They moved in the same day. Shared canvas, live cursors, one source of truth. And that's Visona. V2 is here. Describe it, build it, own it.